Hi all, my name is Lior. I'm the shop manager here at MakeHaven, and I'm just going to give you a quick tour of the space. So we'll start over here. This is our kitchen. We have all kinds of cool tools in here: dehydrators, flour mills, pasta makers, ice cream makers, a big popcorn machine, vacuum sealing. Folks use this space obviously to do all kinds of cool experimental things, but also just to make food for while they're working here at MakeHaven. We will head out into the main room. Here we have coffee roasting and beer brewing, a biolab back in here. In the biolab, you can see all kinds of cool incubators and PCR, centrifuges, fume hoods, so all kinds of great tools to do experiments in our BSL-1 lab. Screen printing for making shirts, hats, bags, all kinds of presses for doing wood and linoleum presses. 3D printers. Here's a Mark Forge and a Form Labs, as well as a bunch of Prusas printing away. Our textile area with all kinds of sewing machines, sergers, embroidery. Over there we have a knitting machine as well as a big quilter. Over here we have a radio bench. We have antennas up on the roof and electronics going on over here. A huge 5-foot wide printer for banners and posters and photographs, lasers. Under some construction here. In this corner we're setting up pottery. That's pretty exciting. A vinyl cutter to do the kind of signage you see on the walls. And head into the wood shop. In the wood shop we have every kind of hand woodworking tool. Here are some of the finer hand woodworking tools. And then we'll head over into the other end of the room where you can see some of the larger power tools. We use a card activation system to make sure that folks are trained before they use the tools. Here we have one of our facilitators training on the jointer. We just got a new table saw. We have planers, drum sanders, panel saws. Here's a lathe, drill press, band saws. This is a saw stop and a new saw stop table saw that can detect if a finger touches the blade and stop itself automatically. Both a small and a large CNC. And some sharpening equipment. Now we'll head over to the metal shop. This is a class happening where we're learning about how to how to put LEDs on bike spokes to make a bike more fun and visible at night. And we'll go into the metal shop. Here's all the metalworking as well as some plastics equipment, band saws, bridge ports, lathes. You can hear welding happening over there. Grinders. We have Alex down there using a CNC mill to mill some pieces. And here are lathes. This is a water jet. So this shoots water at 30,000 PSI and can cut most anything under the sun in all kinds of intricate shapes. Sandblasting. We'll see if we can peek into the welding area. So you can see some cool welding happening in there. We have MIG, TIG, we actually have a forge too, and a big anvil for blacksmithing, a kiln for heat treating. This is a jewelry area we're setting up and should be ready shortly. All kinds of cool CNC stuff. Bike equipment for working on your bicycle, sheet metal working, presses, rollers, spot welding, saws, more presses. And that's a wrap. So thanks for watching, and hopefully you get a chance to come by soon.